Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you a step-by-step process on how to install and set up Pipedrive Action Automation for workflow within your agency view. Once in your agency view, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you'll be able to select the sub account where you want to install the app and you click on Continue. Click on Continue and you click on Allow and Install. From here, you're going to have access to the custom menu link. Copy the custom menu link and you head back to your agency view. Go to Settings, choose Custom Menu Link to create a new custom menu link. Click on Create and here give an icon to app. You give a title, let's say Pipedrive, and you paste the link which we copied here. We want it to appear only at the level of the sub account sidebar. So you untoggle the agency sidebar, you choose the account where you want it to appear, you take all on the visibility side, and you click on Save. Switch to the account where we added the custom menu link, and you click the custom menu link to have the first interface of the app, where you're going to see the app that it has not yet been connected. No worries. We're going to show you the process on how to set up and connect it to your app. Click on Setup, Required. Click on. And here we're going to see the second interface where we'll have access to the documentation and we have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of the app. We have the app set up. Here it has not been set up. We are going to walk you through on how to set up your app. Copy the redirect URL. Head to the account which we've created online. Go to your profile, click on the developers tab, click on Create App, click on Create New App. You give it a name and you paste your redirect URL here. Then you click on Save. Toggle on all the necessary scopes and you click on Save to have access to the client ID. Copy the client ID, head back to your sub account, click on Start Setup and you paste. Copy the client secret, head back to your sub account, you paste and you click on Complete Setup. Then you click on Allow and Install. There you go. Your app has been connected successfully. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for our support team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you will receive notifications concerning all the new updates and changes made on the app. And to receive these notifications, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up your agency app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And remember, our support team is available 24/7 if you need extra guidance. Thanks so much for watching.